Hi guys, what's up? This is I Am Traveling Shears. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I bring you a microlink braidless install. This install is actually used to add extensions using a silicone bead instead of braid. So it gives you such of a nice flat natural install that you could pull up into a ponytail, wear any type of way. This install is used for clients that already wear their natural hair. So if you would like to add volume and length to your hair, this will be a great install. You can add up from 1 to 3 bundles using this, depending on your hair and texture. Um, this style lasts 8 to 10 weeks and with great upkeep. So, yes, that's it. This is a microlink install. I hope you guys like it. Tune in.